Vehishe, 26. This chapter, a little bit longer, has to do with the noun and also what happens to the noun after the article. We've mentioned this in earlier chapters and seen examples of it, but they get into a little more detail here. And also attributive adjectives, adjectives following the noun. So masculine nouns after the article, if it starts with a consonant, nothing happens. Anfar, uncouple. Now, this is the nominative case, or the accusative case, if you like, the general usage case, not the following the preposition case, like eg anvar. That's different. That is a different phenomenon. You add the eclipses. So here, just as a subject, let's say, anfar, uncouple, unkiliach, which is the cock or the rooster, andoris, unkota, unsra, the stream, untool. Now notice that T dash before a vowel on a masculine noun. Same thing. It's the subject case only. Now, if it was a capital letter, by the way, capital U for some reason, you would only put the T without the dash, and it would still be a small t. Spelling thing. Just as a little aside. Now, feminine nouns, after the article in the general usage subject case, let's say, an van, they put a lenition after the article. Okay, on wo, on kjark, on winyog, on vrog, on uv, no t. And then you have this TS phenomenon that we've mentioned before. And they give you the rule here on troj. The T will precede the S if the S is followed by a vowel, L, N, or R, which I guess are the liquids. Okay, so that's the rule. Feminine nouns. And then what happens also in this chapter is they talk about adjectives attached to the noun. So after a masculine noun, there's no change to the adjective, anfar, more. But after a feminine noun, there's a lenition on the adjective, anvan, war. Okay, makes sense. And they also give you some plurals. We've seen plurals before, but again, they're giving you some more examples here. Nahula, notice the na puts an H before a vowel. Nahorashti, same thing. Nahivaka, that's kind of what their point is here, I guess. The H before the vowel. Nahan, Nahanamnyacha, Nahichanta. We've seen some of these before. Okay, and that's pretty much what's in chapter 26. So study those lists and memorize which ones are masculine and feminine. Have fun.